Mahbub. Mr. Kamran Siddiqui, Regulatory and Corporate Affairs, Upstream South Asia. Consulate General Malaysia, Mr. Fawzi Nizar Abdurrahman, Vice Chancellor, University of Karachi.
MSD has contributed a lot, but we need to do more. And I need a change of strategy that put emphasis on human resources rather than only in terms of talking about palm oil and how much it is contributing in the economy of Malaysia. Living in Pakistan, I believe we have to search for indigenous technologies. The indigenous technologies are the basis जिसके ऊपर we can determine whether it is game changer or game over, right? So if you believe and you search for indigenous technologies, that it's about game changer. You can contribute in the economic development of Pakistan. The Food Science Technology Department is basically in the search of indigenous technology, and we believe that there has to be a linkage between academia and industry. And with this strategy, with this thinking, we are approaching industries to help us in terms of creating this link.
Malaysia's economic interest is the palm oil industry. Palm oil constitutes nearly 38% of the value of Malaysia agricultural products and contributes 3% of our GDP. Thus, it seems logical that Putrajaya or Kuala Lumpur